Hi everyone, today I am going to cook something original, potatoes with this small fish, which I got this recipe from Tenerife Canary Islands. So clean small or medium potato in water and leave it in skin. Take a lot of salt. Look, I will put more than half a kilogram of salt. Don't worry that it's too much, because I will explain you later. I bought this microscopical fish in local supermarket. It's frozen now, so salt it normally. I will put some spices. You can use your spices which you like, just little bit, because even just salt and garlic will be also enough for fish. And little bit flour, so it will be more crispy when I will fry it. Mix it, make sure it's covered from all sides. We don't need to clean this fish, just fry it like it is. And garlic. I use dry garlic. So now prepared oil, make it warm, and start fry my small fish, and it will be like fish chips. Fry it till it's crispy. Mix carefully, don't ruin. And first part of fish is ready, you see? Put it on paper kitchen tissue, so it will absorb that oil. And another part. Very simple food, but healthy and fresh. You see, potato is on top in this water, because very big concentrate of salt, and you see it looks like covered with snow. But don't worry, it only all the salt will be only on skin. Inside potato will be very soft and delicious. You see it's ready. I take it out from salt water. And now I will serve my dish. Open olives for decoration, some lemon and rosemary. Put around. Why this way of boiling potato is so delicious? I don't know. Maybe because it's boiling in that big concentration of salt and make it more nicer from all sides. So look how simple but original looks this food. Wow, I love it. Low calories, but delicious, fresh and nice. I hope you will put me like and subscribe to my channel to follow more. Look at this potato. See how nice and soft, and believe me, it's so delicious. Wow! Thank you for watching my video, and see you soon. Bye bye.